think. Stylish wine, y'all stylish wine.
Hey, it's your girl Latanya Style, and I'm introducing to you my Stylish Moves leggings line. It's also Stylish Moves clothing. Bodies available soon. These leggings are so comfortable. They're must have in your closet. Fabric's very good on your skin. It's so smooth. Something that you definitely want to have. You know, I can feel the fabric on my skin. It's so smooth. It doesn't feel like a regular type. I encourage everyone to get them. Something that you definitely want to have in your closet. You don't know Latanya Style. We're representing for Jamaica. So all of the leggings are specially designed with the Jamaican culture behind it.
Here's the situation. These leggings are the bomb. They feel so smooth. They hold me in. They make my butt look really nice and round. They make my heel look my JJ look very fat. And it's really not that fat. But these tights are just the bomb. And they stay on, and they're easy to wear. They're washable. You don't have to take them to the dry cleaners with a bag of excitement. They don't wrinkle if you travel and pack them in your suitcase. They're not wrinkly. They stay firm, and they're just absolutely fabulous. You be the judge, but they're great. I love them.
Entrepreneur, and anyone a shop a straight Gucci couture. Bumper big body sturdy for sure. Now watch me.
You can have your leggings personalized with your photo, yeah? For example, yeah? So, send me an email, stylishmovesja@gmail.com, or direct message on Instagram, stylishmoves. Order your leggings, shipment, delivery, worldwide. Leggings are between 40 euro, 40 US, in Jamaica, $5,000. Alright, support me. I'm trying my entrepreneurship with fashion, dance wear, fitness wear. It's for just dance hall lovers and anybody that loves Jamaican culture. So a lot of the designs have Jamaican colors, Rastafari colors. We have leggings with Jamaican sayings, Jamaican slangs. We have celebrities on leggings. Check it out. Stylish Moves leggings.